No more Juniper. Elon Musk has just announced a massive update. The 2025 Tesla Model Y will now be officially named Opal, shaking up the EV market with its surprising production and launch plan. This news has the entire industry buzzing. But why the sudden name change to Opal? Is Tesla aiming for a more luxurious design with cutting-edge technology? With production set to roll out globally from Giga Shanghai and beyond, Tesla's plans for the Model Y Opal could redefine performance, efficiency, and luxury all at the same time. But what exactly sets the Opal apart? How is Tesla using its advanced 4680 battery technology and optimized manufacturing to gain a significant edge over competitors like BYD and Volkswagen? Stick around as we explore all the groundbreaking upgrades, stunning range improvements, and Tesla's strategy to maintain its dominance in the EV world. Before we dive deeper, make sure to hit that subscribe button and help us reach our target of 7,999 subscribers. Your support motivates us to keep bringing you the latest and greatest updates on Tesla and the EV industry. Hit subscribe, buckle up, and let's delve into the future of Tesla's Model Y Opal together. The switch from Juniper to Opal marks a deliberate branding decision to highlight sophistication, luxury, and a premium appeal. While the name Juniper projected a natural and understated vibe, Opal suggests elegance and brilliance, aligning perfectly with the significant upgrades in the revamped model. These upgrades include refined interiors, improved efficiency, and advanced design features. By naming the Model Y after a precious gemstone, Tesla aims to reimagine the vehicle's identity, blending advanced technology with strong emotional branding to attract innovation enthusiasts and those drawn to aspirational values. This rebranding not only builds excitement but also emphasizes Tesla's commitment to quality and innovation, solidifying the Model Y's position as a cornerstone in the highly competitive EV market. Since the inception of Tesla, Elon Musk has consistently emphasized a philosophy of continuous improvement, focusing on incremental advancements rather than traditional periodic redesigns. Musk recently reiterated this approach on X, formerly Twitter, stating that no Model Y refresh would be released this year, reinforcing Tesla's strategy of evolving its vehicles in real time rather than through major overhauls. This approach allows Tesla to integrate new technologies seamlessly while staying true to its ethos of innovation and customer-focused development. Which name resonates with you more, Opal or Juniper? Share your thoughts in the comments below. The Tesla Model Y Opal will benefit from Tesla's expansive Gigafactory network, utilizing their advanced production capabilities to meet global demand. Giga Shanghai will play a critical role in the initial rollout, with a production capacity currently estimated at 950,000 units annually. With an efficient automation system achieving a cycle time of just under 40 seconds per vehicle, this facility serves as Tesla's main export hub, ensuring the Opal reaches international markets quickly. Giga Berlin and Giga Texas will complement this effort, each contributing around 250,000 Model Y units annually. Tesla plans to enhance production efficiency further by adopting cutting-edge technologies like 4680 battery cells and structural battery packs. These innovations not only boost vehicle performance but also simplify manufacturing, enabling Tesla to produce vehicles at scale while keeping prices competitive. The launch of the Opal is expected to begin in China by early 2025, aligning with Elon Musk's statements during Tesla's Q3 earnings call about the timeline for releasing more affordable models. Musk confirmed that Tesla remains on track to introduce these models in the first half of 2025, with plans to expand availability to other major markets shortly thereafter. One of the most noticeable aspects of the branding shift from Juniper to Opal lies in the external design updates. The Model Y Opal features a more modern and streamlined appearance, incorporating signature elements like an arc-shaped roofline, stubby tail, and smooth sides. The Opal also boasts sleeker, more aerodynamic spoilers, a sharper silhouette, and a redesigned front bumper. These updates give the familiar egg-like shape a sharper, more sophisticated look. Enhanced rear-view mirrors and camera bumpers not only improve safety and visibility but also contribute to the vehicle's low drag coefficient. The Opal may even achieve a reduction similar to the Model 3's improvement from 0.23 to 0.219. A key highlight is the reimagined exterior lighting, which reflects the Opal's move toward a more premium identity. At the rear, a full-width LED light bar and a modern Tesla wordmark provide a sleek and unified look, while the headlights are expected to offer adaptive capabilities, enhancing safety in changing conditions. These lighting upgrades align with the Opal's luxury-focused image, positioning it as a more refined option in Tesla's lineup. Interior enhancements also play a crucial role in reinforcing the transition from Juniper to Opal. Tesla has incorporated advanced RGB lighting technology into the cabin, allowing users to customize their environment with various colors directly through the touchscreen. This feature, along with ambient lighting spanning the entire cabin, creates an immersive and personalized driving experience. The Opal may also include seating for up to 7 passengers, with ventilated vegan leather seats featuring intricate stitching for added comfort and style. Additionally, the rear passenger display is expected to grow to 8 inches from the current 7.2-inch version, offering an improved experience with options for gaming, streaming, and climate control. The Tesla Model Y Opal faces strong competition from rival electric vehicles in 2025, such as BYD's Kalu and Seal models, as well as Volkswagen's ID.4. The BYD Kalu, a mid-sized electric SUV, offers a range of up to 533 km and is priced around $46,000, making it a direct competitor to the Model Y. The BYD Seal also offers competitive pricing and impressive range, posing a challenge to the Opal in price-sensitive markets. Volkswagen's ID.4, priced between $42,000 and $58,000 with a range of up to 520 km, is another strong contender, particularly in Europe and North America. The Model Y Opal is anticipated to be priced within the $47,000 to $63,000 range, strategically aligning it to compete effectively in the EV market. Tesla is leveraging its structural battery pack technology and 4,680 battery cells to reduce manufacturing costs significantly. These innovations are projected to lower battery expenses by up to 30% per kilowatt-hour and potentially cut overall production costs by as much as 50% compared to earlier Model Y variants. These cost reductions, combined with Tesla's streamlined production processes, ensure that the Opal remains competitive while offering state-of-the-art features and performance. Do you believe Tesla's relentless pace will soon render gas-powered cars obsolete? Share your perspective and let us know what you'd name Tesla's next EV. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated. Let's keep riding into the future together.